Decidí hacer un tutorial de cejas. Hi guys, I decided to do an eyebrow tutorial based on my previous video where you guys asked so many questions. Like guys, I don't remember where I got the shorts from. The sneakers, I must have, like, I think my mom got those for me. I'm sorry, but everything else I basically can help you guys with, so just DM me or leave your questions in the comment section and I'll answer you on all your questions. But seeing that an eyebrow tutorial was most requested, that's what I plan to do for you guys. So let's get straight into the video. Firstly, let me let you guys know I will be looking into a smaller mirror in order to help me. Sorry, I won't be as focused, but what I will do is I will zoom in closer to the eyebrow so that you guys can see what I am going to be doing. That should help, shouldn't it? Hi! So let's get right into it. So today we'll be using a spoolie, an eyebrow pencil in dark brown, concealer, a lighter shade and a darker shade. I'll list the shade names, a makeup brush, a beauty blender, a pomade, an eyebrow pomade, vitamin E oil, and a Q-tip. So now we're going to be wiping my face. I'm wiping it off any impurities, dirt, any little thing right now, just getting rid of that. That's what you see me here doing. I'm going to go in with the spoolie now and focus on my eyebrows. So what we really use the spoolie for is to comb through your eyebrow hairs and to also try and set it, as in get the eyebrow, form it into whatever shape you're really looking for, going for. The spoolie controls all of that. So there's my spoolie controlling where my non-existent eyebrows go, which is not that much of a problem for me. So guys, continuing with the spoolie, forming up my own eyebrows, combing through the hairs. Also, I went ahead and did one of the looks off camera. Sorry about that. So what I'm doing is I'm taking fine strokes now. I know the mirror is blocking you guys, but I'm taking fine strokes to go right across my eyebrow to form the eyebrow shape that I want. And also I'm using it right through my hairs so that I can get a more natural and preserved look, really. Going in with the pomade now, and I'm using the spoolie, putting some of the powder onto the spoolie. And then I am going to comb through my hairs again. Now this will darken the shade, which I appreciate. It makes it look far more natural and more hairy, if you ask me. Going in with the concealer now, and I'm using the lighter shade down below. Alright, so I'm going to go right along the line that is stroked underneath my eyebrow. I'm going with that line and I'm going straight across, as precise as possible. Guys, I needed the mirror right there, so I'm so sorry if I'm blocking you, but I'm trying to describe it as best as possible. So I'm using the concealer brush on it. I use it better with the brush that the concealer comes with. Going straight across, and the concealer is really used to clean up like any little, you know, mistakes that you, and I love using concealer. I think concealer is just a brilliant idea. I'm not gonna lie, it's such a brilliant idea. Now for the everyday makeup look, I'm literally putting the lighter concealer to cover my spots that are on my chin. You, yes you, please use your shade, always. Good? Yeah, so, and then I'll just put it in some other obvious areas. Underneath my eyes, my forehead right there in the middle, and I did already see, because from I did do the first eyebrow, I just did that. You know what I mean? Going back over it again, just in case. Now I'm going with the darker shade above my eyebrow. No, the darker shade, I use it so it's more my complexion. It helps with the, yeah, you know, it just looks more natural and it looks better at the top. So this is me now going over. Finally, I'm getting a little leeway to see what me are doing. Sure. Anyways, back with the pomade. I added more pomade before I put it there, so again, guys. So, and you might find that you have to do this sometimes. Go back and forth, go back and forth. So this is me now with the darker concealer going right back over to create the arch that I desire. Going right back underneath as well. Now I'm showing you guys the other eyebrow and what. So this is it. This is really how I do my eyebrows. Sometimes it might take longer depending on how pleased I am with them. This is not my best and I feel like I'm going to probably owe you guys another tutorial but like an updated one, but this is the one that I do know. Whenever you see my eyebrows, this is exactly the one that I do know. Now the famous blending technique that I use a Q-tip, guys. I had mentioned that my hands don't stay stable when I use a brush, a concealer brush, to blend out, but I do use a Q-tip. Yes, indeed, I use a Q-tip. So that's how the Q-tip blends it. I don't mind actually using a Q-tip. I think it's just far easier for me. It's more convenient actually. So I use a Q-tip. Time to blend. I usually dampen my beauty blender when I am blending, so I mean, why not? So here we are blending. Finished our eyebrows. Now it's time to continue with the rest of my face. So I will be using an eyeliner now and mascara. I think both of them are from Maybelline. Lashes in a Box lashes and a Sonia Seduk eyelash glue. Guys, this is probably the best eyelash glue I've ever had, and my palette of course, but I mean overall this makeup glue, this eyelash glue, bomb, y'all. Let me tell you, bomb. So I start off with prepping my eyelashes so that I get a voluminous look from putting on lashes after all. So yeah, here I am applying mascara. Next, we're going in with the eyeliner. Now, people always ask me how I get my wing or the foxy eye. Guys, concentration. Concentration is a key rule. So you're going to find me looking deeply into this compact mirror again. Eyeliner complete. Now it's time for lashes. Here I am applying the glue. It's white, but guys, when I put it on, you don't even know it's clear. And so now I'm blowing onto the glue, dry the glue a little, and application. That is the finished eyelash look, guys. I'm pleased. I'm officially pleased. Now I am going to blend some of the concealer that I had left on my eyelid. So I'm doing that right now. Time for the eyeshadow. I usually like to use gold right there, that corner of my eye. I love using gold there. Gold is just like a pop, and everybody can see me when I'm up the gold there. No, I'm going to go in with blue. This is my when I'm going out, it's a quick makeup look. I just use the blue right there. Usually when I'm wearing clothes, it's all like a white top, white bottom, so the blue kind of always just end up somewhere and helping out. You can use any other color that is good with your inner eye corner color. You don't have to use gold, you can use red. There's so many colors that you can use in there, you just have to know. But this is just a quick, this is my quick go-to look. Okay guys, go to quick and go to. I'm brushing off the dust or the little powdery particles, and this is a close-up, guys. This is how it looks. Yes.
Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm finally finished. Good job. So this is the full look, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. I hope this was helpful. Bye.